Wondering where your save files are for The Amazing Spider-Man 2 from AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, make sure you launch The Amazing Spider-Man 2 and create at least one save. This ensures the game generates the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their save files locally. This means your progress in The Amazing Spider-Man 2 is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you exactly where the save files for The Amazing Spider-Man 2 are stored. These paths are only for games from AnkerGames. Saves from other sources might be in different locations. You can easily back up your The Amazing Spider-Man 2 save files by copying the folder. Store it on a USB or cloud drive, and you can restore it anytime. And that's it. Your The Amazing Spider-Man 2 saves from AnkerGames are local, safe, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips on getting the most out of your games.